blue singlet, Taштанбекова in the red singlet. And Taштанбекова starts out going over tie with her right hand. There's a snap down for Sokolowskaya. Snap down again, and she is trying to get those elbows free and catch an angle. Now she has a chin in the hook.
Барына чексиздик. Жаңы о абоненттер үчүн 4 жумага болгону 495 сом. Дароо азыр кошуп алда 3 айга арзандатууга ээ бол. Чексиз интернет, чалуулар, социалдык тармактар, мессенджерлер, OTV. Сен үчүн баары бир тарифте топтолгон. Переходи на О. Барына чексиздик бул сонун.
But you only get so much time down there. And hers was up. So back to the center. Looks like somebody's going to go on the clock here fairly soon. Red. So Taштанбекова. Excuse me. Female. So it's Taштанбекова. Taштанбекова will be on the clock first. Snap down for Sokolowskaya. Wow, they are really pulling at each other's hair. And I do believe it was both athletes doing it. So it's like, you know, Taштанбекова, she got a finger wagging for it, but it was, I'm sure it was both of them. 1 point on the board for Sokolowskaya. All right, second period underway. 2-on-1 now. Taштанбекова. And 2 hands on the head. Not allowed in freestyle, but seems to be getting away with it so far. There's a step through Merkel position. Oh, nasty little Merkel rolling through is Taштанбекова. And I think she's got her in some trouble. She's got a fall here. So Taштанбекова catches a fall, a W, and a bronze medal by rolling through on a Merkel position. Excellent work to the girl from КЫРГЫЗ.